Well, November's been good to me, but time has come, I think. So at this point, it's just here. Well, this is not such a problem. It's longer here than it is here. And then sides, they're better than they were, but I don't know. Now, leave it like that or go full-blown schoolboy. Full-blown schoolboy? I think yes. Well, that's enough for one night. I think I got all of it. Alright, so not full-on schoolboy. This is more like stubbly teenager sort of look. But first things first. The keyboard is now... eating. Multitasking. But the keys now have their own stand. And, which is new and nice. There we go. This stand actually ended up being more beefy than I was expecting. It could actually go well with a much heavier keyboard, but it is at just the right height with the table, and I can play here, although not as awkwardly, and everything just nice. So that, I think, was a much needed upgrade, because just having this on laundry baskets was really not cutting it. I needed something that was a little more solid and would be, much better to you can press hard, and it just, it's one of those things that's not very exciting, but when you actually get it, it helps you in ways that you would not even think that it would help. So there's a very unexciting upgrade. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's go on to an unboxing of, more boring stuff. So, first things first, thank you message, which we are all familiar with as the Sweetwater thing of choice. Thank you message, thing of choice. Thank you message also contains an invoice for the first time in history. Ta-da! I'm going to be wearing this. It's a Sweetwater t-shirt, if you can't tell. Of course, they send me another catalog, so that I will want to buy more stuff. We'll put that off to the side. FC4A sustain pedal, because not because the M gear is bad, but because it won't work on my Yamaha keyboard. And so this one, made by Yamaha, will work with it. And then there's a third thing, but it's very small. Oh, Sweetwater candy, always with every order. And iLok, license manager. This is iLok 3. I'm getting this because I have the software version of iLok right now, and I'm having some problems with it with some of my software, so I'm hoping the physical iLok will not run into the sort of authentication problems I've been having. So so that's that, and packing material, and we're done.